Hello and welcome to Gaslands TV. We got another exciting race today. We got two cars built by Carla Reynolds. We got NERF and the pink Wench. But first, let's take a look at the track. They will start off coming down this suicide. It is a dangerous high-speed start into the straightaway here, where they fight for first position here at the first bend around the Gaslands TV camera into gate number 1 down this straightaway. And for those of you who are new here, every gate will give 1 point to each driver as they pass through it. There's 4 gates throughout the whole track, including the finish line. Now, we had a little helicopter crash last season and it destroyed the road here at gate number 2, which is now called the construction site. This is make or break for some of the racers here, and if they do succeed, then they'll come around here, bend number 3 around the BFG, and Ember Prime, the monster truck with a flamethrower. Then they'll go to gate number 3 down this really steep slope here that speeds them up, and it gets them ready for what's coming up next, which is another steep downhill into 2 lanes, which becomes a jump at the finish line. Now we got our camera crew there waiting for us, capture all the exciting moments at the finish line here. But not only that, if they pass the finish line, survive the jump, there's a few cars here with some drills that they have to try to avoid. And there's the pipe there. That's the pipe dream. If a car goes in there, the driver wins a ticket to Mars. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. He could give that ticket to anybody he wants, or go himself. Now the truck is getting into position. We are ready. Let's take a look at the drivers. First, we got Miranda, who's driving the pink Wench. She's from USA. She likes large caliber rounds and drifting, and she dislikes speed bumps. We all hate those. She's sponsored by Towers Board Game. Next up, we got Xander, also from USA. His car is the NERF. There's never enough rifle fire. He likes speed and dislikes the rules. Well, well, there's not really any rules to follow here, so he's gonna have a blast. Now we have the racers here at the bottom of the suicide getting ready to go up the elevator for their first race. I'm as excited as you are, guys. Place your bets. Let's see who wins. Will it be Miranda or Xander? And they're off for the first race. Xander takes the lead. Miranda shoots at Xander. Did it do anything? It did. Oh no, but she also crashed. That's what happens when you fire at the car in front of you. You might crash into them. Ember puts on his drills, blowing Miranda up. Let's do another race here. Race number 2, side by side, but Miranda takes the lead. Xander's having a little issue there, and he goes off at the construction site. Miranda continues, and oh, she hits the finish line, which basically gives her a point, I guess, and a win. BFG, is he gonna shoot at Xander? He does. Oh, but the house was in the way, so Xander is safe. Good for him. Let's do race number 3. Oh man, Xander's got to pick it up a little bit here. He's side by side, he's struggling, but Miranda takes the lead again. Oh, Xander's off on the construction site again. And oh, I like the way she finished here. She went between the jump, kept it safe, kept her car in good shape for the time trials to come. Nice driving there, and gives her the win. And again, Xander off at the construction site. BFG is going to try to shoot again. No, he doesn't want to hit the house anymore. It's a waste of ammo. Let's do another race here. Hopefully Xander can pick it up side by side. Oh, Miranda plays dirty and knocks him out. Let's see if she could finish. She does, and hits the finish line, giving her a win and a gate point. Look at this replay, guys. What is she doing? She goes in front of him, then knocks him with the back of the car, making him lose control even before gate number 2. I guess Miranda wants it more. Oh, we got a spectator firing there and giving NERF some trouble. But let's go to some time trials. Let's see if Xander's maybe better alone on the track without Miranda pushing him around. Let's start with Miranda, see how fast she can go through this track. Oh no, she gets shot down by the sheriff at turn number 3, but she has 2 gate points for that run. She's gonna try again, hopefully get a time in her stats card. And she goes into the finish line with a time of 5.3. And the helicopter decides to fire a few rockets, giving the spectators a little show. Look at that air she got. Really nice finish. She is going again, trying to beat her time. And she's doing a nice little run here. Will she make it past the finish line in a tumble at 5.8? A little slow, but she's done for the day, and it's time for Xander to try to beat her score. And the construction site's giving him trouble all day long. Hopefully he'll be able to pass at least once to give us a score or a time that he could put on his stats card. By the way, you can see all the stats of all the drivers so far on the Google documents in the description. Oh, he almost got a ticket to Mars, and he's got a time of 8, which is not that good. He was so close to that ticket to Mars. I mean, not winning any races would have been nice to have at least that. Get off this wretched rock. But he's trying again. Hopefully he gets it this time. And oh, his car just stopped right at the finish line. Did he pass it? He did, so it gives him the time of 6.6, giving him a better time than last time. But unfortunately, his stats aren't good for today. Let's take a look at the stats. Miranda weighs 33 grams. Her best time was 5.3. She has 24 gate points. She won 3 of the races, but she didn't win any tickets to Mars. It's a good day overall. Now let's take a look at Xander. He weighs 31 grams, which is very close to Miranda. His best time was 6.6. He only has 17 gate points. He didn't win any race and didn't get any Mars tickets. It was a bad day for him, but hopefully next time he'll do better. All the cars were sent in by Gaslands TV fans. If you want to send in your car, let us know in the comments or go to our Facebook page, Gaslands TV, and message us there and we will contact you. More races coming soon, so make sure to subscribe. And if you like our work, you can go to our Etsy page and buy some of the stuff to play Gaslands, and it also supports the channel at the same time and the artists who have created these items in 3D programs and the 3D printers and all that stuff. Everything you spend on our Etsy page goes to supporting the channel, so thank you very much so far for all of you who have done so. And also check out our Facebook page. We have monthly contests there, and you can win a container full of those bits. Make sure to check out our other races on the channel and leave us a little comment. Let us know what you think. Do you enjoy watching these? Is there anything I could change? Let me know, and bye for now.